There are 5 exercises that everyone over the age of 60 should include in their daily routine. They may look simple, but their benefits are powerful. These movements help strengthen the legs, restore balance, improve blood circulation, and significantly reduce the risk of falls, fractures, and even serious conditions like blood clots. These exercises work like a form of natural medicine. They don't just protect your muscles and joints, they also support your heart and your brain. Many people believe that getting older automatically means becoming weaker, walking slower, living with constant aches and pains, and depending more and more on others. But the truth is, that doesn't have to happen. The human body has an incredible ability to adapt. It can become stronger at any age as long as the movement is appropriate and consistent. It is never too late to start. And there is no valid excuse to stop. People in their 70s, 80s, even 90s can regain energy, strength, and independence once they decide to take care of their bodies. The secret lies in practicing a few basic movements consistently. The following 5 exercises improve strength, balance, and circulation in a simple but highly effective way. Exercise number 1, squats. Squats are often called the king of exercises because they strengthen nearly all the major muscles in the lower body. At the same time, the front of the thighs, the glutes, the hamstrings, and even the lower back. After age 60, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, accelerates. The leg muscles are usually affected first. This leads to shorter steps, slower walking, and the need to push off or hold on to something just to stand up from a chair. Squats directly fight this process. They restore strength, stability, and confidence in movement. In the beginning, hold onto a sturdy chair, a heavy table, or a solid door handle. Push your hips back as if you're sitting down, bend your knees slightly, then return to standing. Inhale as you lower down. Exhale as you stand up. If regular squats feel uncomfortable, there's a safe alternative. Stand with your back against a wall and slowly slide down until it feels like you're sitting on a chair. Hold that position for 15 seconds. As you get stronger, increase the time to 20, 30, or even 60 seconds. A good starting point is 10 repetitions done every other day. Gradually work your way up to 20 repetitions. Exercise number 2. Balance training. The second exercise focuses on balance. It helps you walk with confidence, climb stairs without grabbing onto everything, and cross the street without fear of tripping or falling. Over time, muscle strength and reaction speed decline. Balance worsens. People begin to feel unsteady. They avoid going out alone, stop taking walks, and slowly shrink their world. The good news is this can be prevented with a very simple balance habit. The exercise is straightforward: stand on one leg. It sounds easy, but once you try it, you'll realize it's more challenging than it looks. Stand near a wall in a corner of the room or lightly hold onto a sturdy chair for support. Lift one foot off the ground while keeping the other foot firmly planted on the floor. Gently extend your arms out to the sides to help maintain balance. Your initial goal is to hold this position for 30 seconds, then switch legs and repeat. Gradually work your way up to 1 full minute on each leg. Once you feel confident, try closing your eyes. When vision is removed, your body loses its main balance reference point. At that moment, your muscles, joints, and nervous system are forced to work together much more intensely. The ideal frequency is to practice balance exercises at least twice a week. Research from Stanford University shows that older adults who regularly perform balance exercises tend to have better memory, sharper thinking, and a lower risk of cognitive decline. This is because balance training strengthens the connection between the brain muscles and joints. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please press the like button so more older adults can see it and subscribe to the channel. We share new senior health tips every day, and you wouldn't want to miss the next video. Exercise number 3. Calf strengthening. This exercise targets the calf muscles, which doctors and physical therapy experts often call the second heart of the body. Every time your calf muscles contract, they act like a pump, pushing blood from your legs back up toward your heart. When this pumping action is missing, blood can pool in the lower legs, leading to swelling pain, varicose veins, and in more serious cases, even blood clots. After age 60, how many times a day do you truly activate your calf muscles? Many people sit for hours watching TV or scrolling on their phones. When they finally stand up, their legs feel heavy, almost like they're carrying sandbags. That heaviness is a clear sign of poor circulation. But there is one very simple movement that can reactivate this natural pump and bring life back to your legs' calf raises. Stand upright and hold on to a sturdy chair or table for support. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, then slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat this movement steadily. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions, then gradually increase to 30, 50, or even 100 repetitions a day or more if you're able. This is an exercise that should be done daily. To increase difficulty, try calf raises on one leg at a time. Another option is to perform them on a step. Place the balls of your feet on the edge of the step. Let your heels drop slightly below the edge. To feel a stretch, then rise up as high as you can. This version requires more effort, but delivers faster results. It strengthens and tones the calf muscles, improves circulation, reduces leg swelling, helps prevent varicose veins, and significantly lowers the risk of vascular complications. It also helps you walk longer distances, reduces the risk of ankle sprains, and improves overall balance. Exercise number 4. Hip raises glute bridges. Hip raises, also known as glute bridges, are extremely important. They strengthen the glute muscles and the lower back areas that are often neglected, but play a crucial role in maintaining upright posture and protecting the spine. After age 60, many people begin to walk hunched over, experience lower back pain, or struggle to get out of bed. One major reason for this is weakened glute muscles. The hip raise is a simple, safe, and highly effective exercise that helps reverse these problems and restore strength where it matters most. How to perform the exercise. Lie on your back on the floor or on a firm, flat surface. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground. From this position, lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the top position for a few seconds while squeezing your glutes, then slowly lower your hips back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This movement activates the entire posterior chain of the body. It not only strengthens the glutes, but also the lower back and core muscles. As a result, it improves posture, reduces lower back pain, and gives you more power when walking or climbing stairs. Exercise number 5, side leg raises. This exercise strengthens the muscles around the hips, especially the gluteus medius. the muscle responsible for keeping your body stable when you take a step. Many falls happen because the hips are not strong enough to support the body during movement. The exercise is very simple. Hold on to a sturdy chair or a wall for support. Keep one leg firmly planted on the floor. Slowly lift the other leg out to the side without rotating your body. Hold for a few seconds, then lower it back down. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. At first, you may find it difficult to lift your leg very high, and that is completely normal. Together, these exercises target nearly all the key areas that tend to decline with age: strength, posture, circulation, and coordination. They help you walk more steadily, climb stairs with confidence, stand up from a chair with ease, and most importantly, live without the constant fear of falling. Choosing to practice these exercises means choosing better health, more energy, and a higher quality of life. Please share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We truly enjoy hearing from you. Thank you for watching.